Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're frustrated with your Xfinity Wi-Fi connection not working in 2025, don't worry, we've got you covered. This is a common issue, but with a few simple steps, you can troubleshoot and fix it yourself. I'm going to walk you through everything clearly and step by step, so let's dive right in. First, start with the basics. Sometimes, a simple restart does the trick. Unplug your Xfinity router and modem, wait about 30 seconds, and then plug them back in. Give it a couple of minutes to reboot fully. This can resolve temporary glitches and refresh your connection. Next, check for any service outages. Open the Xfinity app on your phone or visit their website to see if there's a reported issue in your area. If there is, you'll just have to wait it out, but if not, move on to the next step. Now, inspect your hardware. Make sure all cables are securely connected. Check the power cord, Ethernet cables, and coaxial connections. Dust or loose wires can cause problems, so give everything a quick once-over. If you're using Wi-Fi extenders, ensure they're placed properly and not too far from the router. If that doesn't work, let's update your settings. Log into your Xfinity account via the app or online dashboard. Look for any firmware updates for your router and install them if available. Also, try resetting your network settings on your devices. For example, on your phone or computer, forget the Wi-Fi network and reconnect using the correct password. For more advanced troubleshooting, consider changing your Wi-Fi channel to avoid interference from neighboring networks. You can do this through the router's admin page. Search for Xfinity Router Login if you need help. If you're still having issues, it's time to contact Xfinity support. They offer 24/7 chat or phone assistance, and they might send a technician if needed. There you have it. Easy steps to fix your Xfinity Wi-Fi connection in 2025. Remember, technology can be finicky, but staying calm and methodical usually solves the problem. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.